Now that we have Salesforce configured, let's head to Magentrix instance and configure our integration. The Salesforce integration is under Extend Salesforce. If you see the name of the object here, it means it's already in Magentrix and we are mirroring the data and the schema. We prefix all the Salesforce object with the force underscore underscore name. Now let's imagine that we didn't have the lead object in Magentrix. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this from the Magentrix portal. Now that the lead object is deleted, we're going to bring it back from Salesforce. To bring it back, I'm going to click on the new button and I'm going to search for lead. So this list right here is all the objects that are currently in Salesforce and are not yet in Magentrix. So as you can see, we have access to every single object in Salesforce. So I'm just going to bring in lead here. And if the object was already in Magentrix, it would not appear in this list. Continue. Now these are all the fields that are on the lead object. I'm going to make sure that I'm going to select all the Magentrix fields so that they would come in into the partner portal. And submit. Now what's happening here is that we are actually replicating the schema that exists in Salesforce and creating that schema in Magentrix. All right, if you take a look, you can see that all the fields that are on the lead object that we've selected here have been imported into Magentrix. There was no need to do any kind of field mapping at all.